Hey guys, Running Kimono. Today's video we're going to be showing you how to use your Instapot to make hard-boiled eggs. I have a 6-quart Instapot, and with the purchase of that comes this wire rack. So you will put this at the bottom, pretty easy to do. You don't need to buy fancy attachments for this. And then you're going to use a cup of water, hot or cold, up to you. I think I used cold water today. So just 1 cup, and then you put it in the bottom of the pot. Now today I made 6 eggs, but say you were going to go for a dozen, you would only need that 1 cup of water. Yeah, I know, science. So here are my eggs. I'm going to put them very carefully on the bottom. You don't want any cracks or anything like that. And I made 6 today. Now in the past I've had eggs with like little chips or anything like that, or like little fractures, and they still were hard-boiled beautifully using this method. So even if your eggs have a little chip or something like that, just don't be worried about it. So as you can see, my last couple of eggs, boom, there it is, 6 eggs at the bottom of the Instapot. Have to make sure that at the top the little handle there is unsealed. Yep. And now at the bottom I have to program this on high pressure. Now press the manual button, put it down to 5 minutes, and it has to be on high pressure. Then you just leave it for 5 minutes and it'll do all the work. No hissing, and as you can see, that little stopper is right at the top, so you know that the pressure is elevated in the pot. And just don't touch it, don't even look at it, it should be fine. And as you can see, after the little alarm goes off for 10 minutes, I just let the eggs sit in the pot, and no venting, just leave it. And now I have a little water bath with ice on the side that I made. And as you can see, I let it sit for 10 minutes. There's my little cold ice water bath. And I'm going to open the Instapot right now. And just to show you how there's not a lot of pressure or hissing or nothing dangerous is happening. I let this rest for 11. Opening it up. Look, not a lot of tension or anything going on here. And there are my eggs. And very carefully, I'm going to put it in the ice bath. Didn't show this on camera, guys, but when you're peeling your eggs, you know how sometimes the shell can get stuck to the egg white? Well, this process using an Instapot, it does not happen. The eggs will look perfect, and I'll show you that here in a quick second. I do this water bath for 5 minutes. I know a lot of people will go for 10, but I personally went for 5 because we were eating these for breakfast. And here they are. As you see, there's no like the shell isn't peeling off half of the white. It's just a beautiful looking egg. And we cut one of them open here on camera, and this was our breakfast this morning. And look, that's perfect. Perfect hard-boiled eggs. You can make deviled eggs for even like a potato salad. This would be perfect because you can make a lot of eggs at once, and it's like a super quick process. But anyhow, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. The Instapot is a very powerful tool in the kitchen, and I love to use it to make hard-boiled eggs. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.